Hi, my name is Pranav Deshpande and my son Shaurya Deshpande is in Zebar School in 4th F. The primary reason I chose Zebar was a part or integral part of Udgam School. Compared to his previous school that he was in, I see a lot of changes in his overall development and I'm really happy that I chose Zebar. And I'm pretty much sure when I gave the interview in Zebar, they were very keen on the overall development of the child, not only on the studies point of view. The way he speaks, the way he communicates, the way he behaves. A boy or a kid's character is defined by the school, and I'm pretty happy that he is a part of Zebar, and it really reflects in his personality right now. The primary reason I chose CBSE because I did my schooling in CBSE. At the end of the day, when you finish your school, you realize that a CBSE student is different from a state board student. The overall development of a kid in a CBSE school is quite different than the state board. And I would be very happy if he achieves everything that I really aspire him to be. I'm really glad that it's kind of a very fair play that's going around in the school. No child is preferred over the other in all aspects, maybe be it sports, be it the music, dance, classes that he attends to, and studies, of course, there is one. The way Zebar has conducted online classes, they need a big round of applause for it. But the changes for last 1.5 years that I've seen are really evident by the way his learning capacity has developed. It's more of ideas and the overall teaching experience that I find really exciting with Zebar. Now, my son comes up with doubts that I really like. The questions that he is asking are very, very subjective, and I find it very interesting. In the morning when I hear him study, he's very attentive in the class, and the way she teaches, I find it very exciting. They made it very simplified, and the points were very clearly put on the table. It was not something which was, he found difficult to adapt to, so it was very much on the cards. Day-to-day communication with the school is pretty smooth at this point of time because they have many ways to communicate to parents. They have their own portal. They are using social media platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and also Teams, which is an official site. Every course or every whatever needs to be done in the entire week or the entire month, we have hands-on details for that. So it's pretty much very useful for the parents to know what is happening in the school. I mean, my confidence in Zebar has only grown because Zebar is the right platform for my kid, I believe.